こんばんは。何？こんばんは. Good evening. We are going to be making some life-changing... life... We're not having a baby, not getting more cats, but we need to, or I would like to save some money for it. So I had an idea that instead of paying lots of money for a haircut, Tomo could cut my hair for me. I'm a little bit nervous, but... I like the sound effects that have been incorporated.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine, right? These scissors are my great-grandfather's Ferris's scissors. When he immigrated to America, they bought, I guess they bought a old house, and the first floor was like half a house but half for business, and he had his own, I don't know if it was a barber shop or just like a hair salon. I think he did everyone's hair, not just men, but I'm not sure because I never met my great-grandfather. But these scissors were passed on to my grandparents, and my grandmother always cut my grandfather's hair because he was a pretty how do you say catchy? Stingy. He was a couponer oi. So he would do anything to save money, and obviously having grandma cut his hair was free, and the scissors were free, so that's how they did it. And then I inherited the scissors. Okay, well, I think it's looking pretty good. Again, I've not styled it or anything, but I think even just like a little bit of this looks nice. And the back looks pretty great too. I'm pretty proud of Tomo about the back. That was the part I was the most worried about. I did the fringe myself, but you know, like I said, I'm trying to grow out a couple of bits and I thought that'd be too much to explain. Good results, and we saved probably like 5,000 yen. Like, I don't know what that would be in pounds or dollars, but maybe like $40-ish. Yeah, what does everyone else think, I wonder? How did he do for his first haircut? Let us know. Comments and likes and buttons pushed, please. Thanks for watching.